In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the drop-down menu in Squarespace 7.1, Squarespace drop-down menu design. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a drop-down in your navigation, add pages inside it, and save your changes so your menu looks organized and polished. First, sign in to your Squarespace site and open your website editor. From the home menu on the left, head into Pages. This is where all of your navigation lives in Squarespace 7.1, and it's where we'll build the drop-down. In the Pages panel, find your main navigation section. Click the plus button and choose Drop-down. Squarespace will add a new drop-down item to your navigation, usually named something like New Drop-down. You'll see a message indicating the drop-down is empty. Click into that new drop-down to open it. Now let's add items inside. Click Add Page. When prompted, choose Add Blank, then select Page. This creates a simple page you can customize later. Give it a clear name so visitors know what to expect, and save the title. Next, click Add Page again. Choose Add Blank, and this time, pick Blog. That adds a blog section as another item inside the same drop-down. You can repeat the same process to add more items if you need them, but for now, we'll keep it simple with a page and a blog grouped together. If you already have existing pages you want to tuck under this drop-down, you can drag them from your list of pages into the Open drop-down until they indent beneath it. That indentation means they're nested and will appear in the drop-down menu on your live site. If you need to change the order, just drag items up or down until they're in the sequence you want. When you're happy with how everything is arranged, make sure your changes are saved. Look for the Save button in the editor and click it to confirm your updates. After saving, preview your site and hover over the drop-down in your header to confirm that the items appear and link correctly. A few quick tips to finish strong. Keep drop-down labels short and descriptive for easier navigation. Test on mobile to ensure the menu expands cleanly and is easy to tap. If you want to fine-tune the look of the drop-down, such as fonts, spacing, and background colors, open your site styles and adjust your header and navigation settings to match your brand. And finally, limit how many